How to see Valorant store on phone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Over here you'll find the search box. Type in over there Valorant store and search for it. Different apps will appear. Just scroll down. You'll find this app Valorant Tracker. Just download it. Once completion of its download process, open the app. With that you'll land to this kind of page. Now over here you'll see the option of sign in. Go ahead and click on it. Click on continue. Now type in your Valorant account's credentials and log into your account. Type in the username and password, or also you can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple ID or Xbox. Once you are logged in, you will have access to a wealth of information about your recent Valorant matches. You can see your scores, hit ratios and other key statistics. But here's the cool part. You can also access the Valorant store right from within the app. That's right, you can use your Valorant points to make purchase directly from your phone. You can use your Valorant points to buy new skins or use Ready Night points to upgrade your existing ones and unlock additional customization options. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to access the Valorant store on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.